Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to change the fonts on your Squarespace website. Let's get right to it. First, open up your Squarespace site and click Edit in the top left corner to enter the page editor. Next, look in the top right corner of your screen and click on the little paintbrush icon. This opens up your Site Styles menu on the right side of the page. Once that menu is open, simply click on Fonts. You have two main options here. You can click Font Pack to quickly swap out all the fonts on your site at once using pre-designed pairings. This is the absolute fastest way to get a professional look. If you want more control, look right below that under Global Text Styles. Here you can click into headings, paragraphs, or buttons individually. Inside each category, you can change the specific font family, adjust the weight, tweak the letter spacing, and change the overall size. Finally, just click Save in the top left corner to apply your new typography across your entire website. And that is it. Your site now has a completely custom look. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.